Hi there. I'm again your lazy but clever tour guide today. Let's take a quick walk around our eco-friendly factory in China. This is where the real magic happens. Our production floor might not have cat toys, but it's full of machines way smarter than me. We've been making eco-friendly paper boxes for over 40 years. Yes, that's way older than me, and probably older than your favorite laptop model too. From design to printing to final assembly, every step is handled with precision and a touch of pride. We like our corners sharp and our impact gentle on the planet. We take ESG seriously, even if I look too lazy to care. From energy-saving machines to waste reduction and fair workplace practices, everything here runs greener, cleaner, and smarter. We use recycled materials, reduce carbon emissions, and treat people like family, though I still get the best seat in the office. Responsible manufacturing? Absolutely. Planet-friendly? Always. We believe sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a habit. So every box we make carries a little green heart inside. And maybe a bit of cat hair too. Who knows? Thanks for joining my little tour. If you ever need eco-friendly packaging that's smarter than your average cat, you know where to find us. Now, excuse me. I hear a nap calling my name. But don't worry, the boxes will keep working. They're way more energetic than I am.